So can you show me the picture again? I'm gonna focus most of the highlights at the front and the sides because we're gonna braid up all this here. We're still gonna do a few highlights, but we're gonna just not bother too much. And then for the extensions, you said he wanted straight hair.
I mean, it can match whatever it is gonna be on top.
So this hair is yaki textured. So it's still straight, but there's like a bit of a texture to it. So country, and it's like, I just appreciate the acoustic. Do you grow up there?
No, I did 50 different country zones. And I'm like, wow.
The melodies are great, and it's like good storytelling. Yeah. Also, we invented country, Black people, so it's our genre. We did it.
Nothing to be embarrassed of.
There's like it's ours. They should be embarrassed.
Yet again.
History. So you like white boys too?
Yeah, you got that. Yeah,
I got it.
I think it is.
Me too. I like that. No shame.
So it won't be damaging. You know, I was
No, we're close
scared
are
about
still perfect. I mean, you're still gonna have to straighten it.
Oh yeah.
Square on them.
Shake your head a little bit.